Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope that you all are well. I really need your support in growing my channel. So if you want that I should make video on some another topic, so please let me know in the comment section. And today's video is all about anxiety. So without taking much of your time, let's start it. Anxiety is nothing but repeatedly re experiencing failure in advance. What a waste! So, with this quote, we will talk what actually anxiety is, what are the difference between anxiety and anxiety disorders, what are the alert signals, and what are the remedies to cure anxiety. So, please stay with me till the end. Anxiety happens when you think that you have to figure out everything all at once. It's your body's natural response to stress. Anxiety can be good or bad, but when you excessive fear of everyday situation, then this point of time you really need to be concerned because in my previous video I have talked that mental illness of different types and anxiety is one of them. So if you will take more and more stress, then this will not good for your health and body. So we will see some of the examples of anxiety that you can relate with yourself in your daily life. First day of school, as when you have your first day you are very excited, but at the same point of time you are very stressed that you have so many questions like how I will make friends, if my dress code is proper, what about the teachers, and so many. Similarly in job interview you are very stressed like if my CV is according to the job, if my interviewer is good, if I could able to answer all the questions without any hesitations. And stage fear, that is the public speaking, and actually where anxiety goes up to this high peak where you have to represent a large mass of people and you really need more and more confidence, and you think that, oh god, please don't stuck at this point of time, let me complete all my sentences and so everything. So these are some of the examples that you face day to day in your life. So now I will tell you what actually anxiety disorder is. So anxiety is good, but anxiety disorder is a problem that is not good at all. So जब हम डिफिकल्ट टाइम से गुजर रहे हैं तो उस टाइम जो स्ट्रेस होता है वो अच्छा होता है, बट जब हम बेफिजूल के स्ट्रेस लेने लगते हैं तो वो डिसऑर्डर बन जाता है। एंजाइटी शुरू भी होता है और ख़त्म भी हो जाता है जब तक प्रॉब्लम रहती है, पर डिसऑर्डर जो होता है वो वीक्स मंथ्स और ईयर्स तक चलता रहता है क्योंकि जो हमारा डर है वो बेफिजूल का है। जब हम मुश्किल दौर से गुजर रहे होते हैं तो उस टाइम जो डर होता है वो रियलिस्टिक होता है, बट डिसऑर्डर में हम इरेशनल फियर्स और अवॉइडेंस करते हैं ऑब्जेक्ट्स, प्लेस और सिचुएशंस को। एनजाइटी के टाइम पे हम बहुत ज़्यादा एम्बेरस फील करते हैं, अनकंफर्टेबल फील करते हैं, इसलिए लोगों से ज़्यादा मिलते जुलते नहीं हैं। बट डिसऑर्डर के टाइम पे हम सोशल सिचुएशन से ही भागने लगते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज कि लोग हमें जज करेंगे, हमें एम्बेरस करेंगे। एनजाइटी कैन बी हेल्पफुल और मोटिवेटेड, जबकि डिसऑर्डर हमें बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस्ड और डिप्रेस्ड बना देता है। एनजाइटी अ रिस्पॉन्स टू टॉक्सिक सिचुएशन, जबकि डिसऑर्डर हमें नो कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, मैनेज नहीं कर सकते। और एनजाइटी तब होती है जब हम डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम से गुजर रहे होते हैं तो हम उस टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा सैड फील करते हैं, बट वो उसी टाइम तक रहता है। वो जो डिसऑर्डर है उस टाइम न केवल हम बहुत ज़्यादा लो फील करते हैं, बल्कि हमें बुरे से बुरे ख्वाब आने लगते हैं और उन चीज़ों से उभरने में हमें महीनों और साल लग जाते हैं, बट स्टिल हम बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस्ड में रहते हैं। दिस इज समथिंग दैट is the difference between anxiety and anxiety disorder. So now you can able to relate with yourself and can understand ki which anxiety actually you are facing. Is this a normal one or actually you're facing a disorder? So these are some of the alert signals so that you can able to understand that which anxiety actually you are facing. It is the normal one or the disorder one. So the symptoms are shaking hands, irritability, excessive worrying, easily fatigued, avoiding social situations, tense muscles, restlessness, irrational fears, difficulty in concentrating, panic attacks, and trouble falling or staying asleep. So, at the last, these are some of the remedies to cure anxiety, and they are take a deep breath, get some sleep, watch funny video to distract your mind, eat chocolates, drink more and more water to hydrate your body, listen music to peace up your mind. So these are some instant remedies for your day-to-day anxiety, and I hope that this will surely help to make you feel calm and peace and more relaxed. So this is all for the today, and I hope that you can able to differentiate between anxiety and anxiety disorder. So if you like my video, do thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you really want more such videos, so write below the comment section. And if you haven't watched my previous videos, so please go and watch it. And thank you so much for your precious time. Goodbye.